Just what is it that you want to do?
Well, we want to be free. We want to be free to do what we want to do. We want to be free to ride. And we want to have a good time.
Hey, what happened to your grips?
Why you gotta bring up all?
That's what I do. You lied to me, Shorty. He said it was good. He said, no problem, you got it. Woo! Whoa! Whoa! Am I recording? Am I not?
Now check this out.
Fuck. It's easier to grab this. I can't let the wind show. You good, Berto? Y'all good? Y'all stuck? Axel? Oh shit. Tyrod? Oh yeah. Throw your weight around. Is it bad right here?
Don't do it.
Okay. Okay. Is that Vice Rider? What's up, buddy? Come on, Vice Rider, you gonna do the bounty hole? $1,000 to fuck up your bike?
About the 1,500 to fix it.
Where's that 28's going? There you go, buddy. God, dude. Shit. You gotta stay on it though, you got it?
Jack your body.
You broke your tie rod? Thank you, appreciate the help. That was bad, that was all bad. I'm sure Shorty wants to punch me in the nose right now, so it's all good.
Do what?
Nothing. Nothing, buddy.
I can talk a lot of shit.
We'll be back after these commercials. There we go.